Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me Princess. Hi guys, it's me Princess and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun, close to the sun.
May baso. Maubos mo tayo now. Mabuol ka liwat iyan. Ayaw mo, isa lang kay itlogin kuha na hindi kawa. Ano Diyos ginbol mo? Kag. Hi guys! Ay, naku na ng prinsesa. Oops, natabunan. Dito.
Ay, ito kapagugid man ko magtama na malas still Jimmy. Tsura part na wasted.
Dreaming. Taba ng mukha ako. Wala namang nagbago actually. Good morning guys. So we are on the pool side. Tutur namin kayo sa pool ng Amara Hotel. It's not extravaganza but pwede na. O may mga kanal-kanal pa. Walang may naligo pa kasi nga early pa. Touch natin yung tubig kung malamig na. Ito ang CR, restroom. Tapos may bar man. Nag-operate ang bar or what. Gamay lang yan, no? Ng pool. No diving. Ano lang ay? No diving meaning hindi mag-dive.
Just dip in the water.
So this is the pool. Pool. May table tennis to sa taas. So dira ka ta nagkaon? No. Si mahulog ka wa? Oh my God. Hindi dyan mainit na? Di marigo ta. Tinga. Ganda. Pwede na. Hi! Hi! Madlong people. So, ayan. Pwede kayo mag-sit here while dito na malamig ang tubig. So, ito yun. The Amara Hotel. What can you say about the breakfast? Okay. So, ayan. Tapos may tennis court sa taas. That one. Pero syempre hindi kami mag-tennis. So, sa kabila may gym. So, hindi kami mag-gym. So, ang gagawin namin ay lalamoy lang. Okay, guys. Yeah, guys. Dala ng tubig. Yun ka. Nakakainggan. Okay, let's go na para makapag-swimming na kami, guys. Kami ay mag-swimming. Ay! Hi, guys. Hindi pa na makita ito.
you enjoyed this vlog. And if you enjoyed this vlog, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click the bell button beside this so you'll get notified